Plenty of buyers assume a monitor mount that claims to hold a 32-inch screen will also carry the heavier 40-inch models they're eyeing. The upgraded heavy-duty mount bullet quietly undermines that. It supports monitors weighing 439 pounds across sizes from 22 inches up to 40 inches, but it explicitly will not accept 1000R curved screens. That exclusion is the first thing the careful shopper checks, and the last thing the listing lead with. You know the scene. Last week you shoved that oversized monitor into the corner of your desk, the original stand eating half your keyboard space, cables snaking everywhere. You rotated the screen to portrait mode to read a long document, and the whole assembly wobbled just enough to make you second-guess every click. That's the friction this arm is built to erase. Every full-motion mount faces the same engineering tension. The gas spring that makes smooth adjustment possible also adds bulk and weight. This one chose the heavy-duty side, a 19.7-inch extension range and a 30.9 pounds capacity, and you feel that trade-off the moment you lift the box. The arm itself has a deliberate resistance, not the flimsy give of cheaper springs, and after 20 minutes the weight distributes evenly across the clamp so no single pressure point digs into your wrist rest. The Ergonomics Design lets you flip between horizontal and vertical screens with a 180-degree swivel and tilt from +90 to -45 degrees. What that means in practice is you stop adjusting your chair every time you switch apps. The screen meets your eye line instead of the other way around. The clamp base, measuring 4.1 by 3.7 inches, replaces the monitor's original stand and frees up roughly a third of your desk depth, which is the kind of gain the kind of person who measures twice notices immediately. Height adjustment gives you that 19.7-inch reach, enough to raise a 32-inch panel to eye level without tilting your neck. The cable management channel runs the full length of the arm, so the bundle you use to untangle every morning stays tucked away. Easy assembly includes both a clamp and a grommet base, compatible with desks from 4 to 3.5 inches thick, and the labeled parts mean you're not staring at a pile of screws wondering which goes where. Here is who this is not for: anyone running a 1000R curved screen. That's a specific disqualifying use case the feature bullets call out by name. If you need curvature support, look for a mount rated for 1000R compatibility, the capability you're after, not this model. For everyone else, the limitation is irrelevant because the problem this solves, wobble, clutter, and neck strain, is exactly what you came here to fix. This is what the channel does. One product examined properly, regularly. I'm reading the manufacturer's own listing, and the specification a careful buyer checks first is the weight capacity. The bullets state 439 pounds across 22 to 40 inches, which implies the mount is genuinely heavy-duty rather than padded. What they conspicuously avoid claiming is any mention of 1000R curved screens. That absence usually means the seller has hit a compatibility wall, and you should confirm your exact model before buying. The reinforced steel construction and 30.9 pounds capacity signal, a mount built to outlast the pattern of buying the cheap version repeatedly. The real question is not affording this once, but affording the cheaper option again and again. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if